Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we have the Geprc, what is it called again? There's so many out there. I was calling it the Elegant by mistake. So it's the Pheonix 2.5 inch today, and it has pretty solid arms, a little bit flexible, has some 3D printed part. We'll probably see this in the shop here, but let's just see. This is the first time actually opening it, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. So they give us this little goodie bag. I think this is gonna have the props here, so don't litter. Littering is very bad. Ooh, it has a lot of props. It's really nice. They give you two of these bags actually. What else do we have? We have the control board here. We have another bag of props. Okay. We have an extra Xt60 and two. Oh, that's really nice. So they give us an extra antenna. These are going to be the propeller screws. So let's put these to the side here. Okay, nice battery strap. I need one. I didn't bring one. Okay, anti-slip. Wow, it comes with a lot of things actually. Correct. All right, some people said there's noise in the video feed, so we're gonna see that now. Yeah, I do see some noise. So right now something is hitting. I can hear it, so let's just go check what that is. Yeah, it was the antennas. All right, let's go for another flight. So like I mentioned, I'm running 4S right now on it. Just making sure everything's working. Okay. So it feels nice, and that noise isn't really that bad at all. I don't know how you guys are gonna see it on the thing. It's just constant lines. Wow, it flies really nice actually. It has a lot of power. So currently it's on 4S. I feel a little somewhat of like a mid-throttle oscillation, a tiny bit. But see, can you see that when I'm pushing? Could be just a little tune, but also it could be you probably won't be able to tune this out, because if the noise is reaching the yes, I didn't want to walk all the way there. So now the props are kind of screwed up. I could hear it, but it's fine. Let's just keep going real quick on the second battery. Yeah, something is hitting now, so let's just land this guy. So yeah, the mid-throttle oscillations could be due to electrical noise, but it's a simple fix. Just replace the current capacitor that's on there, and with the way it's flying, it's feeling really nice actually. Let's see what happened here. Okay, so it cut that off, cut one of the antennas off. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna see I already ate up one of the antennas here, and I'm just gonna put the antenna protectors. I should have done that in the beginning. Okay, so I'm gonna put those antenna protectors right now, and we're gonna see how that does. We're gonna cut this in half. They give you two of these, so, and they give you a lot of things actually. I really like Geprc. This is flying really nice. I lost one antenna. That's fine. I'm not gonna be flying far with this one. And those are easily repaired. This is really good. The 3D printed parts are really nice on this actually. Look at it now. It looks really sexy. I have another battery charging, but it's a 3S. So this is currently a 4S that I have. And okay, it's a 4S 550 milliamp ESR one. It's feeling pretty good. All right, let's just go again now. All right, so let's see if on a 3S it goes away. If it does, that'd be great. What's really nice is we have OSD. No, it's still there. I don't want to kill the battery too fast. I think this 3S is crap. Look at the voltage sag on it. So I gotta go a little bit easier than that. So let's just drop it down. I'm gonna drop a little D here, because it seems like it's the D on roll axes for some reason. So where's the PIDs? There's the D. I'm gonna drop it 3 points each here. There we go. Let's see what happens. Save, or should we save and reboot? There we go. Hopefully I can fly like this. I don't want to walk there. Yes, awesome. All right, let's go. Yeah, that helped a little. There's still a little noise. It helped, but actually the quad feels a little bit more loose. Maybe it needs more P now. No, I think it's just the battery. It's just a crappy battery here. We'll wait until the 4S comes out of charging here. It's a really nice though, 2.5 inches this one. It's really nice, flies really good. Even on shitty 3S batteries. 4500 kV is really nice kV for a 2.5 inch. But I still need to practice on this one. I can do this with 5-inch quads easier. Alright, we just messed up a prop now. The amount of power is not very predictable on these motors, and these motors are made by RCN Power here. So, you kind of takes time to get used to them actually. They have like a sudden boost of power, you see. When I try to correct a little, I usually punching out on most quads basically. With a quad with a motor that's very predictable, these sometimes they just launch a little too extra and makes them really unpredictable. So, but they're really nice. I mean, I'm not saying anything, but just for something like this. All right, the battery came out. So I'm just gonna drop it back where it fell, and we're gonna fly from there. All right, let's go for it. It could be the camera angle. No, it's going good now. As the battery drains, it gets easier and easier. Actually, no, it doesn't. It just dipped pretty low right there, actually. I lost a lot of power. So, it's feeling really nice. On a 4S over there. Let's see, I have flip over after death. Let's see how we're going to do this. Okay, everything working. All right, so let's get going. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice, but there's still that noise kind of actually is a little bit less now. Let's see if we still have that. Yeah, the oscillation is gone. Well, not gone, it's still there a little bit. Probably with the HD camera you'd see it more, but it's rarely that you're going to be putting an HD camera on something this size. But look at the throttle response, it's just beautiful. Wow, it's like a 5-inch, sorry. It's really nice. Yeah, it has beautiful stopping power. Yeah, it's really good. I like this one. This one's really nice. But what I would do, I definitely put a better low ESR capacitor, just to make sure, you know, nothing gets damaged. There's too much electrical noise, especially when something like this is going on. If it's from the ESC noise, and you get into an accident or a crash, you can get some massive voltage spikes and current inrush. And if those aren't filtered correctly, they can go into other components and possibly burn them. So it's rare that happens, but usually racers see most of those issues more than just the casual flyers, because they're just gunning it and then they hit a gate. Next thing you know, all that current has to go somewhere that was in the motor and the ESC, and then there's just there's no filtration that could handle it, and you could easily pop a MOSFET also. But so far, this is really nice. Performing really good. Yeah, I can get out of sticky situations really easy with this. Has a lot of power. Yeah, it's very nice, especially on a 4S. This is on a 4S. Yeah, it's really good. It's like I'm flying a 5-inch, to be honest. They're really that good now. That's crazy. Once it lands, we're going to check its motor temperature, see if it's hot or not, because then we know if that could be possible more to reduce the D a little bit more, or add some sort of filter. But to be honest, I truly think it's just a low ESR capacitor, just a tiny one. I'll leave a link to a couple down below. They're 100 microfarad low ESR capacitor Rubicons from Banggood, which I tested, and they are real Rubicon low ESR capacitors. Yeah, look at that. Like I'm falling. Let's see. So I'm falling. Boom. And I just stop in midair. It's really nice. Let's do it again. So I'm gonna do it like this so you guys can see. Oh, waited too long for that one. Plus the battery's dying. Yeah, but it's really nice. It does have some nice stopping power. Yeah, battery's dying now, so we're not gonna see its full power. but it's handling very nice. Actually, this is everything stock, even stock rates. I forgot about that actually. I usually change the rates, but these are completely stock rates, and they feel like my rates for some reason. It's really nice to fly. I'm really enjoying this little guy. Let's wait, we'll leave that part for the end, so we don't just crash just yet. So let's see what else can we do. The tune, I don't know if it's stock Betaflight, but it seems like it's good. There's no bounce backs, so it's proper BNF. You're not gonna have much problems. Right now the noise isn't as bad as the first round, but I don't know how you guys are gonna see it on DVR. Obviously the DVR always looks different. It always look. I'm just gonna go over here and take a look. I've never really came here and took a look like this. So yeah. Uh-oh, I could hear it. So yeah, I should land there. Let's try to. Oh my goodness, it's dying. Let's try to hit this all the way through. Oh no! Oh, it's dead. It's absolutely dead. Let's see if we can arm it again and try to come back here. It's not gonna arm like this, so unless we do this, even that won't arm. Yeah, it's completely dead. Oh no. So yeah, like I was saying, if this is your only quadcopter, I'd really recommend you change that capacitor that's on there for a real low ESR capacitor. It'll really help out. 100 microfarad, I think to 470 might be a bit too much, but sorry about the wind if you guys could hear it. But overall, this performed really nice. I could totally enjoy this. There was no, you know, some BNFs have a lot of crap you have to deal with, but this one I didn't. I even set it up in the field, which is really rare. I never do that. Everything was there, from the tools to the battery straps. They had 2 battery straps, the antenna thingies, everything is with the antenna protectors. It just doesn't come with a battery. So I'm curious about the motors. No, the motors are good. So I'm guessing, unless it took a while for me to walk here, but I doubt it took that long for me to walk here. They're not even warm, so if they were warm, then I would say. But overall, hopefully you guys can see it. It's a really nice one. It's really good. It looks really nice as well. Weight, I don't know. I'm pretty sure other YouTubers have its weight and stuff. But on 4S, it's really nice. 3S also. So I just flew it on 550 milliamp 4S LiPo from ESR. This came with the Lizard, I believe, and I'll leave a link to these down below if you want to use them. They're actually pretty good. I was actually surprised. So it handled very well. There wasn't much voltage sag, especially with 4,500 kV motors. So it's a good one. I can tell you that. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. Just change this low ESR, this capacitor to a proper one. You know what? I think you should put like a 270 or a 240. I forgot the size, or maybe even a 340. I'll double check. I'll leave a link to the correct one down below, and just replace this one with another capacitor, and you should probably be good to go. We'll probably take it out for another round. I'll do that myself also, and we'll see if that fixes just the slight noise in the video feed. But it's nothing bad. It's just lines that don't really get in your vision that much. But some people are kind of fussy and picky, and it's good. It's good for your overall system, your quadcopter, just for its longevity, and then the other components in here don't get damaged by it. And yeah, well, that's it. This is my review of the Geprc Pheonix 2.5 inch. It's a really nice one. You're gonna have a blast with it if you have the proper batteries, and just lower your D by 3 points like I did. It does a lot better actually. And well, that's it guys, and don't forget to put your antenna protectors like I did, so you can keep your antennas for a much longer time. And that's gonna conclude it for this video guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you guys think of this video, and I'll leave links to everything down below. If you guys like this style video, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out guys.